Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Mixed trade in the grains with beans up about 2 cents, corn down 2, and wheat's down about a penny. Outside market, stocks are trying to be a little bit higher, dollars higher. Crude's about unchanged, but down at only $73 a barrel, the lowest number that we've seen since February. Market's still kind of trying to adjust to OPEC's talk about production getting back to normal in September through next October timeframe. Gold prices are just a little bit higher. I think that we did see this week one crop analyst bring down his estimate of U.S. corn slightly due to about 500,000 less acres, raised slightly his bean production number due to an increase of 300,000 acres. When we look at the Midwest, states that have trend corn yields, Iowa, Minnesota, Missouri, Wisconsin, states that have trend yield in corn above Illinois, Indiana, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Ohio. When we look at where corn trend yields are, that's about 39% of the acres, whereas above trend is 47%. This same analyst still looks at Brazil's soybean crop at 147 million tons, USDA is at 154, and Argentina at 50 million tons, equal to what the USDA is 7, so a total of 7 million tons lower than the USDA. In corn, he's still sticking with that 112 corn production number in Brazil versus USDA's 122, and 47 in Argentina versus USDA's 53, so that's 16 million tons below the USDA. Safrinha harvest, about 3% done, and we're looking at Mato Grosso yield just a little bit better than last year, while Rio Grande do Sul is just a terrible situation with recent rains now causing concern about mold. The U.S. market got some rains coming this weekend and then a drier 10-day forecast. EU rains are mostly in the Spain to Poland type time frame with drier north and drier south. The soybean market still trying to figure out how to adjust prices with a higher soybean supply, potentially lower demand for meal exports, and a lot of uncertainty in what the domestic demand is going to be for biodiesel. That got the November-March bean spread at 17-cent carry, while the July Nove at 26-cent inverse. The China soybean port stocks are increasing, and crush margins here in the U.S. are declining. CN July corn tested the April lows with the spread July D's at -20, but we are seeing a little bit increase in corn export demand. We've noted that the EU imports of corn are down. Egypt bought 470,000 tons of wheat, 180 Romania, 120 French, 120 UK, 50 Bulgaria, but there were no Russian offers. Australian futures were lower with better rains in the west. Wheat market was under pressure yesterday with large volume of wheat offered for the Egyptian tender at lower prices.